Hi, I'm Evan Jones with LVTD Design here in Denver, Colorado. Today we're going to be building a custom chess table using our CNC router and our plasma. Today for our project, we've got a 30 by 48 inch white oak glue up that's 1.5 inches thick. We're going to be CNCing a 2 by 2 inch chess table pattern into it with logos on each end, and then we're going to pour resin over the top of that. That's going to be sitting on top of a steel base that we're going to cut on the plasma table a little later, but that all starts on the computer. Let's head over there. Now that we're at the computer, let me walk you through the process. Most of the time we're designing in Rhino to design our products. Let's jump into the software and I'll show you how we have this set up. All right, now that we're on Rhino, we're going to show you the full design base and top. We've got the white oak top that we're going to be CNCing the 2 by 2 chess pattern into, along with the customer's logo. We also have our base that has the archway on the end, and we're going to be plasma cutting that later on our plasma table. Let's jump over to the CNC. We have our chess pattern that's going to be getting mostly milled out by a 1/4 inch bit for a 2 by 2 pattern, and then we're going to come back with a V-bit to clean up the edges. It gives it a better transition for the resin and less air bubbles. It also gives a tighter design for the logo. Now that we've gone through the design process, let's get back out to the CNC and start cutting. Now that we have our resin curing up, let's move on to our table base. We currently have our 2 inch by 3 inch table base welded up, but we're going to be plasma cutting our archways to weld to the end of the table base to finish off the design. Let me show you what that file looks like. All right, now that we're at the computer, just like before with our CNC, we're going to be using Rhino for all of our design and tool pathing on our plasma. Let's jump into it. Now that we're on the computer, we are looking at Rhino, and we've got our 11 gauge hot rolled steel. We designed these radiuses in Rhino, which makes it very easy and gives a nice rounded, clean, finished look. Now that you see what we're going for, it's pretty straightforward. Let's get this cut and welded on our table. right, guys, just to recap, we've got our table base welded up. We're gonna get a patina and clear coat on that to make it all look consistent. Our resin has set up in our tabletop. We're gonna run that through the belt sander and then get a clear coat on it. We'll be able to put all the pieces together to show you the final product. We're in the home stretch now. Let's get going. Here we are with our finished chest table. We've got our black resin sitting over our white oak, which is contrasting well with our logo. We've got this on top of our steel plasma base. All of these elements come together to make a real custom piece. As you can see, there's a lot of work that goes into making a table like this, from design and fabrication to finishing. So I hope you learned something today. Thanks for watching.